In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use your Paysafecard on Amazon. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. Using a Paysafecard balance that you have on Amazon is extremely simple. So first, I recommend that you visit the official Paysafecard website or that you go through the mobile app and you sign into your account. So if you are doing this process through a web browser on a computer, go to paysafecard.com and then click log in at the top of the screen. This will allow you to input your credentials and sign into your MyPaysafe account. Once you are done signing in, you will have access to a different dashboard. Unfortunately, I cannot show you this full dashboard on screen because it contains personal information and I don't actually have an account at the moment. But for you, what you need to do is find the option to go into the gift card shop. Alternatively, you can go to shop.mypaysafe.com. As long as you go to shop and you select the gift card shop, as you can see here on this example, you will be able to browse through different variable gift cards that you can use. So as you can see, you have stuff like the Nintendo eShop, Nintendo Switch membership, Pokemon, PlayStation Store, Twitch, and finally at the bottom of the screen you have the Amazon gift card. As of today, to my knowledge, you cannot directly use your Paysafecard on Amazon during checkout. So what you have to do is convert your balance using this service, the gift card shop, into an eligible Amazon gift card. As you can see, this page is in German. However, you can find the gift card shop worldwide, so just make sure that you look for it. You will be able to choose one of the predetermined amounts here, and as long as you are signed in, like I mentioned prior, you will be able to complete this purchase. Make sure that it is the official Paysafecard website. You go into the gift card shop once you access your dashboard, or you go to shop.paysafecard.com, and when you arrive at the gift card shop, buy the Amazon card. You will receive a code through your email, and what you have to do afterwards is redeem the gift card as balance into your Amazon account. So on the Amazon website or the mobile app, hover over your name, go into the account page, and then select gift cards. This is where you can start the process of redeeming a gift card. So enter your code here that you received through your email after you bought it from MyPaysafecard gift card shop, and you will be able to apply it to your balance. Once again, I don't have a gift card code at the moment, but this is all you have to do. Afterwards, the balance will be available in your account digitally, and you can proceed to checkout. As long as you have the necessary amount of balance, you will be able to finish any purchase. The amount that you have on your account is going to be displayed here once you reach the payment method window. Besides this method, like I said, I don't believe you can use your Paysafecard directly on the Amazon website. I hope I was able to help you on how to use the Paysafecard on Amazon. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.